we know what time it is. Cartier. Get down on a knee and just do this. Propose to me. We are dealing with thousands of dollars here. Are we trying to set ourselves up for failure? So, welcome back to my channel, you guys. Angelica. Today we're gonna do a...
You need to leave!
You eat your bone in peace? Sorry, my dog back there is just not leaving me alone. Ooh. Anyways, I have a whole box. This is not brand new in any way. I just wanted to show you guys my actual full collection of Cartier. We're gonna unbox everything for you. Unbox. I'm already wearing half the stuff already, but just to see what you guys are, you know, might be putting yourself up to. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to style it, how to wear it in different ways, etc. Let's get straight into it. Previously, if y'all have caught up, I made a Juste and Clou, or Clow, the nail bracelet basically. I did a how to wear and maintain and whatnot. So let's get straight into it. If you hear crackling in the back, please, please, please don't mind because my dog is literally eating a bone in the back and it's literally so loud. I kid you not, it's so loud. Shh, we're in the fucking library here. Let's start off with my #1 purchase I've ever had, which was the Love bracelet. And this one's the normal size. I believe this one's like 6.9K without tax. Luckily for me, I earned this one just because, yeah, I graduated college like 2-3 years ago. And so my parents knew that I really, really wanted this all throughout college and I finally got it. But this one is so cute. I know there's a bunch of other different colors or different type of material that you can get, but this is the all gold. So when I did get it, it did come in a little piece like this. The nail is also all gold, which is actually kind of crazy to think about it. This is the only way to screw in and out your freaking bracelet. So the pros and cons, you literally have to line it up like this. Pros and cons that, I don't know why, but this one keeps on like unscrewing itself. And every single time I go to Cartier, I have to always have them manually screw it for me because one, apparently you're supposed to actually screw it like 45 degrees every single time like this instead of like screwing it in one and then screwing the other because it just ends up loosening the bolts. But okay, this is a super weird fact, but I do have eczema on my like wrist area and stuff. You can see that there's like a tiny little bolt end over here, so it does irritate my skin a little bit here, so you can kind of see where my eczema kind of lines up. So if you have super sensitive skin, maybe don't get this. I used to wear the Love bracelet literally every day, but now I only kind of pair it up with my nail bracelet whenever I do go to events and whatnot. So that's the tea for the Love bracelet. In terms of the next bracelet that I'm getting, I got it last year in San Francisco. It's called the Juste and Clou or Clow bracelet. This one was $4,750 without tax. So I did pay a little bit over $5,000 for this because I got the diamonds kind of studded all around here at the end and at the tip of the nail. And guys, it is literally one of my most prized possessions. Like, I'm not even joking. I wear this one literally almost every day. What's so cool is that you're probably like, oh, how do I open it? Like literally, this is just confusing. Okay, you don't slip it on and off. That is literally, no. So basically what you do is that you kind of just separate it at the end right here. And it's so easy because you just kind of slide it off like that and it comes off and kind of bends off like this. So it's super simple and easy. I have such a small wrist. I'm not even joking. So yes, I can wear it on both sides very, very easily. One of the workers that did sell me this though did say that if you want to keep and maintain its value, make sure to always wear this on top of your Love bracelet, not on the bottom. So basically how to put it on, you just kind of slide it like this, kind of go out like that. You don't want the nail right here because it has diamonds on top to be rubbing up against here, or else it's gonna just end up diminishing its value and just rubbing it off. And you don't want to lose diamonds. Okay, we are dealing with thousands of dollars here. Are we trying to set ourselves up for failure? No. This is what it looks like all lined up. It's very classy, very simple, not too flashy. I don't want to have rows and rows and rows of jewelry because it's too much, you know? Moving on to my other collection, which are the rings. I'm so excited. Do get it in a small, cute box like this. and also a pouch where you can actually put your rings in there. So, how fancy, right? And then if you want to propose to me, you just, you know, get down on a knee and just do this. Propose to me with Cartier. I got the Justin Clue small modeled nail ring, and this one's so adorable just because obviously, as you can tell, I am in love with gold jewelry, so I kind of do just pair it up here. What sucks though is that since this thing is made a little bit differently where it kind of just stops by the nail at the bottom, I don't know if you can see it a little bit, it only fits on 1 or 2 of my fingers and on this specific hand. This is what it looks like when I do pair it up with this side. It's super cute and super simple. Honestly, if I got the thick one, it would legit look like a man's whole ring on my finger. So be careful and make sure you know your finger size and what it's gonna look like to you. Moving on to the next ring I ended up getting, as y'all can probably guess it just because I like to match my things. I got the love ring. Now this one was actually my first purchase ever when it came to Cartier in general, just because the love bracelet my parents got me, this was my second one, and so cute. What sucks though is that since it's like a flat surface, just like the other love bracelet, it does tend to scratch easily, so compared to the nail, know how to not scrape your freaking fingers everywhere on the table. What I really like doing is sometimes I'll just like stack them depending on like what I'm wearing that day, how I'm feeling, but this one's kind of like okay. I usually don't do that. This is not Cartier, but this is how I pair it up with my other ring. Studded all around. Ring that I did not get that at Cartier, but I kind of just put it on like this, and it is so pretty. This is my go-to rack right here, no joke. We just love it. Literally so obsessed. Up to $15,000. This is no joke. You better know how to take care of it, and you better know how to style it, because this is not, we're not casually letting people borrow these pieces, okay? Because you're never gonna get it back. Hate to break it to you. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to turn that post notification. That way, you know, I'm always posting the entire week. I know that there's a large chunk of you watching my videos right now that are not subscribed. I don't know what you're doing. That's not it. That's not the energy, okay? Hit the subscribe button. You'll literally get notified with all of my actual videos, and let's hang out, okay? Okay? And we'll see you guys in the next YouTube video. Bye!
But she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door.